Good, how are you? I know how you guys feel. I'm always carrying the beer for the boyfriend. I think we got one more team coming through. Never know what you're going to see in the Grand Canyon, right?
Howdy.
Hi. Hopefully I look just as sweaty as I'm coming uphill too, right? Nice and sweaty, yeah. What? They go down to Phantom Ranch and back with the supplies. That's why there's a cantina down there. That's how you get your beer. Isn't that pretty cool?